Modeling is the fun part, but preparing assets for the game engine is usually a painful process of building collisions, generating LODs, fixing origins, and many more. Introducing Null Game Toolkit, a Blender add-on packing every tool your pipeline needs, built to handle every painful task smoothly so you can stay in the flow. Let's look at the collision building workflow. In the sidebar, we have a drop-down with every collision method you'll ever need: box, sphere, convex hull, accurate mesh, and simplified mesh. Before we click anything, let's check naming conventions. It's set to Unity by default, but you can instantly switch to Unreal, Godot, or even a full custom setup to match your pipeline. Now, watch how fast this is. For this model, while the box method is selected, I will hit Create Collision, bam, it's done. And for this chair, we'll use Convex Hull to wrap the geometry perfectly, and bam, it's done. Now, for something complex like this cannon, we use Accurate Mesh. Look at the pop-up panel that appears. Right here, you can tweak the margin, adjust the detail level, and dial in the simplification on the fly to get the perfect balance of performance and accuracy. To check the fit, you can toggle different display modes like wireframe, solid, or both together. Also, you can hit Isolate Collision to see the collider by itself. You can even use Compare mode to view the original and the collision side by side. Next up, LODs. Instead of the manual grind, just select your mesh, enable auto rename source to LOD0 if you want, and hit Create LODs. And it instantly generates your decimated levels of LODs. Also, you can keep your assets organized with the auto organization feature. You can sort everything by type, moving collisions and LODs into their own folders, or you can set by object to give every model its own clean collection with all its parts tucked inside. Finally, let's check the utilities. We have a good solution to attach empty to your mesh. You can use parent to empty and choose between a local or world origin, depending on your workflow. When you're ready to move to the engine, you can hit Bulk Export. One click and all your collections are exported as clean FBX files. Stop wasting hours on technical grunt work. Grab the Null Game Toolkit at the link below and start building faster today.